Creating complex shapes and surfaces is a time-consuming process with traditional 3D modelling tools. It can be difficult to bring your product ideas to life. 3D Sculptor gives you powerful subdivisional modelling on the cloud, all in a browser on any connected device. 3D Sculptor is built around the X-Shape modelling app, which takes a simpler, free-form approach that unlocks endless design possibilities. Subdivisional modelling is like sculpting a chunk of digital clay. It all starts with a primitive shape or surface. Push, pull, rotate and scale with the on-screen manipulator to achieve any shape imaginable. X-Shape is perfect for industrial designers, but it's so easy to learn, anyone in product design could pick it up and make something incredible. Curvature continuity is maintained throughout, but if sharp edges are needed, add a crease. Turning out lots of concepts is easy with this simplified modelling approach. Refine designs with real-time validation tools like zebra stripes, draft analysis and thickness check. Add manufacturing details with a full palette of parametric modelling features. All of your work is safely stored in the cloud, accessible on any connected device, and there's never any software or updates to install. Revision and lifecycle management is built in, as well as collaboration and task management. Exchanging data in most popular 3D formats is as easy as sharing a secure link. 3D printing is just a click away, and of course X-Shape seamlessly integrates with SOLIDWORKS Desktop, so you can incorporate subdivisional modelling into your existing designs. Designing complex shapes and surfaces should be creative, not constraining. It's time to consider 3D Sculptor for a simpler, free-form approach that unlocks endless design possibilities. And that's not all. SOLIDWORKS has a full suite of modular cloud design apps for parametric modelling, sheet metal, weldments, and more, so you only pay for what you need. To learn more, contact SolidX today.